Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to move, copy, and paste data in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now before we begin, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you're using is completely up to date, and this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way by doing so. Now as you can see in my Google Sheets file, I have here a data which is merged. We have a data that is affected by text wrapping, by text rotation and such. I have different worksheets, and if you're wondering how to make sheets like this with numerical values and formulas, we actually have a dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel, so please be sure to check it out. Now as you can see right here on my Google Sheets file, here are our data. It can be numerical as well if you want to. Now, in order for us to move a data, let's say for example, I want to move this data from cell A1 to cell B5, all I have to do is to head over to the cell and cut this by right-clicking and pressing cut, or alternatively, you can do Control or Command for Mac users plus X on your keyboard, and then select the cell B5 or wherever you want to move it to, and make it the active cell by clicking on it once and then pressing Control V on your keyboard or Command V for Mac users to paste it, or you can just right click on that cell and click on paste. Now as you can see, by doing so, Control X and then Control V, we can move our data like so. And when it comes to moving data, what it means is we're not copying the data, we're just moving it. Let's say for example, B8, we'll move it to B6, then the data will be gone to B8 but rather in B6. That's what the purpose of cutting or moving the data is in Google Sheets. However, if you would like to duplicate data, you want to copy many data, let's say for example, I have many numerical values here, and I would like to copy all of these values to from cell C3 to cell C6. All I have to do is to highlight the data that I would like to copy by clicking on the active cell and then dragging it across, either downwards or horizontal, whatever is applicable on your process, and then pressing Control or Command C on my keyboard, or if you're not using a keyboard or you just prefer using your mouse, all you have to do is to right click on any of these cells that is highlighted, clicking copy, and then pasting it to whatever cell you want to paste it to. And as you can see, you can just go on like this. By the way, you can also use this for formulas and functions, and if you're still not familiar on how to do those, we have already made a video on it, so please be sure to check out our playlist on the YouTube channel. Now, as simple as that, we can move, copy, and paste data in Google Docs, or sorry, Google Sheets rather. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.